Amsterdam, a city that wakes with water, that breathes with bridges. As the morning light rises over the canals, the city stretches quietly, golden reflections shimmering on the surface. Boats pass like whispers. Bicycles glide through still, cobbled streets. The city is alive, yet unhurried. From every angle, Amsterdam feels like a painting in motion. Canal houses leaning slightly forward, flower boxes bursting with color, soft light dancing on brick and stone. Then comes the rhythm of the day. Streets fill with life, markets unfold, voices echo off centuries-old walls. The bridges, over 1,200 of them, connect not only neighborhoods, but time itself. And as the sun sets, a new kind of beauty emerges. The canals darken to ink. Lamps glow amber over the water. The same houses that shone in daylight now shimmer in soft, blue-hour silence. From dawn to dusk and deep into night, Amsterdam is never still, but always peaceful. This city moves gently, reflects endlessly, and whether under a sunlit sky or starlit shadows, its charm is undeniable. This is Amsterdam. In every light, a masterpiece.